Hi everyone. The problem now that we are going to solve involves the input table as customer. So this table has below columns name, that is the name of the user, fabSweets, that is the list of sweets that the user likes. So for example, Ram likes two sweets, wherein Yogesh likes one sweet, and Vivek likes no sweets, and Palak likes three sweets. So this is our input. As part of the output, what we have to do is for each of the user get only one sweet per row. So we have to from one row we have to create multiple rows based on the number of sweets that the user is liking. And for the user who has not liked any sweet, there will be no entry in the output. Okay. So this is what we need, and now we will work on the solution. So in this case, we can use a function that is string split. Okay, so let's understand this function first before working on this solution. So how does string split operate is, so string split basically it generates a table. So we will pass some values which are separated by a delimiter. So say we have numbers which are separated by comma. Okay, and now as part of the second parameter, we will pass a delimiter. So the output from this table will be present in the value column, and let's run this way itself and see the output. So if we run this, we get numbers present in different rows. So we have given one set of rows separated by commas, and after specifying the delimiter using this function, we have got it split into separate rows, and the output comes in the output column value. So this is what we are going to use now for the problem that we need to solve. Okay, so we will work on this input table now and get the result in the required format. So what we will do is we will operate on the customer table. Let's give the alias as C, and here we are going to use cross apply. Okay, so we are going to use cross apply and call this string split function and pass this column which we need to move into different values. So we will pass this column and specify the delimiter as comma. Okay, so this will split this into different rows, and the output will come in the column named as value. So what we will do is we will see all the columns from the customer and the value column from this string split. Okay, so think it think it like a inner join. Okay, wherein the joining condition is 1 equal to 1. So for every row present in the customer, it the this column will be given to the string split function, and it will return the table consisting of these values in different rows, and then we will see all the data along with the columns from the customer table. So let's run this and see the output, how it comes out to be. So we have, using the string split, we have split the fabSweets column into multiple rows and have shown that along with the columns from customer table. So now let's just get this in the right format. And as you see, the user Vivek, who has not liked any sweet, is not present in the output. So this is the functionality of cross apply. Okay, only when there is the result coming from the right side, then only the data will be shown from the left table. But consider a scenario that we wanted the details from the left table every time, irrespective whether there is data on the right side or not. So in that case, we could use a outer apply. Okay, so let's run this and see the outer apply result. So if we see the outer apply result, the result is almost same as the cross apply. In addition, we have got the data wherein there is no data present on the right side. So this would have not generated any table for the sweets, as no sweets has been liked. So even for this row, it will be present in the output. So that is the working of outer apply. It will always generate the data irrespective whether the right side generates output or not. Okay, so this is the functionality of outer apply. Let's go back to the cross apply to generate the output that we are looking for. So this is the output. We will keep only the name column as required, and let's alias this column with sweets. Let's run this. So this is our final solution. So we have used string split and the output we got in the value column. So hope you found this video useful. If you liked the video, if you found it useful, please like the video and please subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you.